Unxibile ubudasi unxibile. How are you? May I know who you are?
My name is Craig Tulig. They call me Advocate Tulig. I'm a youth. I love Bulawayo. I was born and bred here. I am happy to be here to be part of this big thing, supporting Roil Arts Awards. You know.
Right, great stuff indeed. Before I hit you with the many difficult questions, let's talk about your outfit. What happened? This is what I'm going to wear for the awards tonight.
Can you come again?
Oh, okay. Let's talk about your outfit. Who dressed you? What was the idea behind your outfit tonight?
I can say I chose this outfit for myself. I went to the mall, I saw it, and I said, wow. Then I selected it.
Why not the yellow one?
No, yellow is not for me.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But I think it will work good for you.
I'll try it next time. 2023, Roil Arts, I'll try yellow.
All right, great stuff. You're looking lovely, by the way. Now, let's talk. You mentioned that you love to celebrate Roil Arts. Now, please tell me who is one artist that was outstanding for you in the year 2022?
The artist that was outstanding for me is just behind me, Everton Lalas. Yes.
Hey, why him? Why him?
Everton, his music talks to me, especially. I love Bambelela and Ngogulandela Msindisi. You know, this year it's been a bumpy year, there have been challenges there and there. But when I listen to that song, Ngogulandela, you know, I said, no matter what happens, I will follow the Lord. So, yeah, Everton. And I've had a chance to talk to him in person and see him in some places. What he sings is what he is. That's why I can say this year, the artist for me is none other than Everton Lalas.
Alrighty. Thank you so much for talking to us. Enjoy the rest of your night. Siyabonga. Thank you. Ianda, come through. Right, he mentioned Everton Lalazi, the man himself is here. Welcome back, Obulawayo. How are you feeling tonight?
I feel so excited. I'm very happy to be here.
Right. You're a nominee. What's going through your mind? What's going through?
Look, it feels exciting to be nominated because it means people acknowledge your work. So there's lots of excitement, but mixed feelings too, because I believe that in gospel there's so many people who are doing great things, and we're not in it for a competition, yes. So you have those mixed feelings as well. Okay, I have a nomination, but then I win, and then does it mean someone has lost? But I just want to say, if I manage to get an award, if I don't, it's the same. I believe in the ministry of worshiping God, and I will continue doing that, award or no award.
And the church says amen. Now, Everton Lalazi is always dressed to kill, I guess. And tonight is no different. So tell me about your outfit.
So, look, my wife dresses me, but I think this is Stefano Ricci, yeah, but those shoes I'm sure you can tell.
Ooh, okay. Did you get that? That Louis Vuitton draped in design, I guess that. All right, so you know what are your hopes for the night, AJ, in conclusion? What are your hopes for the night?
Just to have a very good time, mix and mingle with our community inside, and also maybe a few performances. I'm just looking forward to see what has been arranged for us. Yeah,
Absolutely.
Excited to be here.
All right, all the best. Have fun.
I don't know why you're not carrying some ice cream. I know.
No, hey, we're here to have fun, man. We're here to have a good time.
Wow. Hi, my love. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. You look so gorgeous. Who's responsible for your dress code?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I was channeling a little Wednesday Adams and just combined it.
So who dressed you?
Oh, this is Indwamo by Tony Svanda. Yeah, he did the things.
I can see. So who did your face? You look so gorgeous.
Oh, this is me. This is all me.
Girl, is it safe to say Bulawayo girls are really talented? Because I've seen most of the girls that are coming here, they've done their outfits They are doing their makeup. What is it that you guys can't do?
We can't. There's nothing that we can't do. I think it's something in the Bulawayo water, something in the Bulawayo air that makes you, you know.
Yes, girl. Thank you so much. You look gorgeous. What are you looking forward to tonight?
I'm looking forward to the live performances. Most importantly, I'm looking forward to seeing Boma Rocks because I know she's gonna kill with that outfit. Oh, I can't wait to see that.
Wow. Which live performance? Give me one.
I guess the Super Geeks dancing.
All right. Thank you so much, my love. You look gorgeous. You look stunning. Thank you.
Welcome to the Roil Arts Awards 2022. How are you feeling tonight before we talk about this outfit?
I'm feeling good tonight. It's Christmas Eve. And our artists are about to be recognized for the 6th time. And this is exciting. The arts are a part of Bulawayo's fabric. And Bulawayo and the arts cannot be separated. And so it's appropriate that we recognize our artists and our creatives. And this is what we're doing tonight on Christmas Eve today.
Absolutely. So Roil has been in partnership with the Roil Arts Awards for quite some time now. Can you kindly share with us, maybe something that we don't know about coming together for a partnership like this one?
Well, it's been a journey that we've had, and it's the story of Bulawayo. Bulawayo is on a journey. Bulawayo has a history of the arts. Bulawayo has a history of manufacturing and industry, and we saw it a few years ago appropriate to bring these two pillars of the city together. And Bulawayo Arts Awards is not just about the arts, but it's a coming together of the city. It's about recognizing there are other pillars in the city, sport and other areas, but we decided to bring these particular two pillars and showcase them because we need to see a reformatting, a renewal and a rediscovery of industry and a new rediscovery of creatives, the arts and the talents in the city, and how we get them out from Bulawayo, from Zimbabwe to the rest of the world.
Absolutely, absolutely. So who did you vote for tonight?
I can't vote.
Not even once?
Not even once. I decided to stay out of the voting. It's about Bulawayo. We are the organizers, and so I think it would be a conflict for me to be voting as well. But I will tell you my favorite song a little later on this evening.
Not now?
Not right now.
All right, so we're going to be checking and seeing which song he's dancing along to. That is the song. Right, finally your outfit, sir. Why this one for tonight?
Well, I don't know. I don't have any reason, but when I saw tonight, I saw myself looking like this, and this is how I look tonight.
So this is the best pick for the night?
Yes, it was for me. Thank you.
All right, so out of 10, how much are you rating your outfit?
Rating myself, again, that would be corruption.
I will.
I will wait for others to rate and comment. But this is who we are. We are here tonight. We are here for Bulawayo. We are here for the creatives, and it's going to be a good night.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your night.
Hi guys, my name is Newman Treated Diamond. Mina ngubekuthemba Phiri, umarapa, uBex.
I'm Chikonda Wanga, known as DJ Beast.
Thina si Asante Mo. thank you so much ukuthi silapha kuma Roil Awards. Yeah, it's so exciting. I don't know, like it's such a good environment. We love the atmosphere. People are so excited. We are also excited about this performance. Well, thank you so much for this opportunity. Because I think this is our first time in Ubalapa, and it's so nice to Bulawayo.
Yeah, it's the biggest stage ever. So basically, you know what we do, we send a percussion and DJing and dance. So we tried all means to mix the percussion and dancing, so that you will sense it. With DJ, with the DJ also a dancer.
So DJ today for the first time he was dancing because of the bigger stage, and I think it works. And we managed to bring the bigger bear. I told you, we managed to bring a bigger bear for the percussion. I think it makes it all nice. We are so excited.
We are so excited.
We love you, Bulawayo. We love you so much.
Opportunity, Bulawayo, and the audience.
Check us on all social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Asante Mo. Just type Asante and then M-O. Asante Mo.
Thank you so much.
Hey, keep on. We're out here at the Roil Arts Awards. Feels good to be nominated. Just came from performing. Whew, yeah, the adrenaline's still pumping through the veins. What a night.
What's up, what's going on? It's your boy Thorn, the Rock the Beast. Faye Temple Thorn Simanda, you know what it is, boy. It is the 24th of December 2022, Christmas Eve, and we are here, pandemonium in the arena. It is the Royal BAAs 2022. It is crazy, it's amazing. I'm telling you, the stage is lit. We are seeing your boy Arthur Evans, as well as Mboma Hawks. They're out here, and they're taking care of business, and artists are winning. Artists are celebrating arts in the city. It's a beautiful place to be. I am telling you, Thorn, the Rock the Beast in the mouth.
Hey yo, this is Killer Mo Dungazanga Kimbosa.
Yeah, I'll be Killer Mo Manakomana.
And you know what, we've been nominated for the Royal BAA Awards.
Best Hip Hop Act.
Best Hip Hop Act. So
we're here. We're happy.
We have been.
We feel like we're winners already, man. Yeah, the nomination. We're already winners, man.
I mean, Velas Jabulile, you know, because of the nomination. I mean,
2022 has been a good year for us.
We already won Best Group
Fire
in Zimbabwe on the Zim Hip Hop Awards. So I think it's been a great year. It's been a great year.
So shout out to the BA.
New music coming out, proper things. Kill it.
Let's.
Bulawayo is a collection of brands. It's a collection of product brands and personal brands. And that's what we are celebrating here tonight. The nominees are
Outstanding Song of the Year. These are the Roil Arts. Uhambo, Andrea Dofokis. Tatami, Fab G. Gulula, Mrs. K and Beliwe. Titi Bayo Mutimba, Alufe Mushe. Konoi, Gang O, featuring MJ6, Murphy Cubic, and Amani.
Before I tell you the winner for tonight, I want to recognize my colleagues who from United Refineries. A lot of you know me as the face of United Refineries, but I have 300, 400 men and women who support me as I lead the organization, who are working, some of whom are still at the factory tonight. They're still working to produce this brand, Royal Cooking Oil. And the winner for the Outstanding Song of the Year is Kulula by Mrs. K.
This award, I think, it feels really hot in my hands. Like, truly speaking, yeah. So we were working on an album, and I thought I was done. We were working on an 18-track album. Just before the album came out, I got a call from Begiwe. Said, I saw that you'll be dropping an album. Is it possible for us to do a song? So that's how we made Olula, the very last song we recorded for the album.
Thank you guys so much, and thank you to Mrs. K. This song is truly one of my favorites, and you guys have made my birthday special, so I'm really
Hey, I'm Alice Kurure. Today we are dancers for our BAA 6th edition. Yeah, it's a great experience and we are loving everything and we are enjoying every performance of our BAA. We wish everyone the best. We wish you all the best. All the nominees. Thank you. Thank you, BAA. Ciao, Bella. Ciao, Bella.
Thank you so much to everyone who support Mrs. K. Thank you to everyone, all of you home as Mrs. K. And thank you to everyone, all of water, because you made this happen. Thank you to the organizers of the BAs. Thank you so much to welcome to OT and our support and arts company.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Asaf. We're out here at BAA Awards. I'm so happy. Luminous won. MJ Sings won. Man, I'm so happy. We're out here representing to the fullest Bulawayo culture all day, every day. Outfit inspired by, it's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everybody out there who's watching us. Bulawayo music, Bulawayo arts is taking us to the top. Trust me. Trust me.